Your hands aren't synced. Here's the fix. Most players practice technique in isolation. Legato by itself, picking by itself, but your hands have never been forced to operate on the same clock. So when you play anything real, they drift. 10 minutes, backing track, constant eighth notes. Whatever technique you're working on, legato, picking, tapping, slow. Both hands locked to the same groove. And close your eyes. No visual feedback. Just feel where the tension is, where the timing slips. You're not practicing technique here. You're calibrating, like two musicians who've never rehearsed. Both solid, separately, chaos together. This forces them onto the same grid. If you want to go deeper, check the link below for more exercises. Your playing session after this feels completely different. Both hands working together because you gave them a reason to. Try it before your next session. Tell me what changed.